Hello friends, do you know what migraine is? Is it just a bad or severe headache or more than that? Let's find out its causes, symptoms and some basic lifestyle improvements. So what is migraine? So migraine is an intense throbbing pain affecting one side of your head, either right side or left side. And the pain is so sharp that you can't just handle it, and it lasts from 4 hours to 72 hours, that is up to 3 days. So this migraine affects your brain activity and your nerve signals. Because it affects your nerve signals, that is why the migraine, the pain is so sharp and intense that you can't bear it. How could you find out that this pain in your head is a simple headache or a migraine? How could you find out? So there are some additional symptoms also which comes along with migraine are nausea, vomiting, light sensitivity, sound sensitivity and blurred vision even. And some people even experience an aura before the headache. These are some kind of sensitivity to light, a zigzag pattern and some tingling sensation in their hands and faces. If you are experiencing migraine, there must be triggers which initiate the pain, which can turn into migraine later or which can aggravate the migraine. So these triggers are, the most common one are stress and anxiety, dehydration, poor sleeping pattern and some kind of food items like caffeinated products and aged cheese. And some are weather conditions also, like people used to have migraine in very hot weather. But women who are going through their menopausal age, they used to have migraine a lot because of their hormonal changes. And most common also the long fasting hours. People used to skip meals for 10 to 12 hours straight without even hydrating themselves, because the intermittent fasting trend is very trendy right now. So these are some very common triggers which used to aggravate your migraine. So these are the lifestyle changes which you have to follow. Number one is keep a regular sleeping pattern, like 6 to 8 hours sleep per day. Number two is stay hydrated, 8 to 10 glasses of water or 3 to 4 liters of water per day. Number three is balanced diet. You have to take proper nutritious food. Also you have to avoid the caffeinated drinks and avoid long gaps between the meals. Next is stress management. Like if you are religious, you can just go and offer some religious thing, like you can offer salah or some kind of puja that can calm your mind and relax your body. So you can do meditation at least for 10 minutes. Next is, which is very important and I advise my patients also, that is gentle physical activity, like simple walking for 15 to 20 minutes or exercises, warm up, stretching, anything, because it increases your blood flow and your body's oxygen demand increases, thus it helps you to relax your body. Next is limit your screen time. Like if you are one who is working on a system like 6 to 9 hours around, then you are more prone to migraine. So you have to limit your screen time. Last, in women who are in their menopausal age, that is after 45 years of age, they tend to have migraine a lot. Keep on tracking on your triggering factors. What are the factors which are affecting your migraine symptoms? If you have successfully found out that these are the triggering factors, you can work on your migraine as well. So these are some lifestyle changes which I would suggest you please follow it, and you will see the changes. Even after following all the lifestyle changes, if your pain is not getting better, not ameliorating, then you have to seek the medical advice and get a proper diagnosis.